Now to our coronavirus coverage. Schools in Douglas County have been welcoming students back full-time for the past few weeks, but now some in the community are concerned educators are not being prioritized when it comes to vaccinations. 3 News Now reporter Jessica Edson tells us what could move them up the list.
Nearly a year into this pandemic, parents, students, and educators are hoping for a return to normal school life soon. But with Douglas County still in the first phases of its vaccine rollout, the tension of teaching and learning with COVID in the background lingers. 2 Omaha City Council members and 2 local school board members have sent a letter to Dr. Audie Poor asking that she prioritize vaccinating educators. Per the governor, local health directors have discretion over 10% of available vaccines for essential workers.
We're very concerned about the mental and physical health of our kids. And if there is a dedicated portion of that 10% that could be allocated to our school teachers and administrators or school employees, we think that that's a path that should be investigated.
Robert Miller, president of the Omaha Education Association, has asked the OPS school board to advocate for this very thing.
The recent statement from the governor that gives local health director the autonomy on how the 10% that has been set aside to be used, it is our hope that educators be at the top of that list.
But according to Poor, there's still a few groups in line ahead of educators. Poor says that 10%, which is about 700 to 800 doses a week, will be going to utility, corrections, and homeless shelter workers. At this time, no educators in Douglas County have received the vaccine unless they fall into another category, such as age. Harding says he and Councilmember Amy Melton are working on a resolution for the City Council.
It'll be on our agenda for next Tuesday. And I hope, Councilmember Melton and I will be discussing that with our colleagues, and we certainly hope they'll support that.
Reporting in Omaha, Jessica Edson, 3 News Now.
Dr. Poor responded with an email statement. She says the allocation for educators will follow a fair and equitable distribution across Douglas County, including public, private, and parochial school districts. The prioritization among school districts and schools is being developed by the superintendents together with DCHD.